Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Your Instagram bio is one of the first things people see when they visit your profile, making it a crucial part of your online presence. Whether you're updating your bio to reflect a change in your life, promoting a business, or simply expressing your personality, having a well-crafted bio can leave a lasting impression. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to edit your Instagram bio, share some additional tips to make it stand out, and conclude with ways to keep your profile engaging over time. Now let's follow these few steps together. The first step is to open the Instagram app. And to do that, launch the Instagram app on your smartphone and log into your account if you haven't already. And make sure the app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. As you can see, I'm already logged in right here. Now go to your profile and tap on your profile picture or the icon in the bottom right corner of the app to access your profile page. Like this. This is where you can see all your posts, followers, and the bio section you want to edit. Tap edit profile. Now let's go to profile and we're gonna tap edit profile. After that, on your profile page, you'll see an edit profile button just below your profile picture, which I just did. Tap on this button to enter the editing screen. Now the fourth step is to update your bio. Now in the bio section, you can type or edit the text to reflect what you want to share with your audience. You can add a short description of yourself, include your hobbies, or share links to other platforms. Instagram allows up to 150 characters, so keep it concise and meaningful. You can also add emojis or line breaks. After you finish and you're satisfied with your updated bio, tap the Done or Save button on the top right corner and your new bio will now be visible on your profile, just like this. If you go to your profile, you'll find it under your profile picture. For additional tips, use keywords and include links and highlight your personality. After that, update regularly. And that's it. That's how you edit your bio on your Instagram. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.